Do you want to add eye-catching titles, captions, or even subtitles in your videos, but not sure where to start? In this video, I will show you how to make your text pop, your message clear, and your edits look polished in Google Vids. Text is one of the most underrated tools in video editing. Whether it's a title card, a name tag, or an auto-captioned quote, you can guide your viewers' attention and tell your story faster. And Google Vids makes it surprisingly easy. Let's get into text elements. To add text, go to Insert menu and choose Text. You'll get a series of draggable and editable text box options to add into your scene. Whether you need it centered, bold, or to match your brand colors, it's all there. For every text object, you get this 3-button drop-down menu: Animation, Autofit Context, and Format. Now let's focus on Autofit Context. When you have Don't Resize turned on, your text box will stay in its shape while preserving the text inside. When you have Resize the shape to fit text, your text box boundaries will always fit to the size of your text. If you shrink text to fit shape, your text will now always fit to the boundaries of your text box, like so. Moving on to text templates. If you don't want to start from scratch, Google Vids has you covered with pre-made templates in the text menu. They're perfect for title cards, quote overlays, and social media intros. Comment below and let me know what title cards you're planning to make. These aren't just placeholders, they're pre-packaged designs with best practices for legibility. And they can give your video that professional feel fast. Finally, let's get into video captions. What's one of the best text features on Google Vids? It can generate captions for your video automatically. Just go to Insert, Close Captions, and you can set it to add auto-generated subtitles to your video. You can review the captions, duplicate, and edit to correct small mistakes. #robots aren't perfect. Captions aren't just for accessibility. It's crucial for silent autoplay, or in the case that your video is appealing to multilingual markets. Now remember, text works just like other visual elements. You can time when it appears, how long it stays, and even layer it over videos or images. Use it sparingly, place it intentionally, and it will elevate your edit every time. And that's how to make your videos actually talk to your audience. And if this helped, like and subscribe, and send me any interesting text designs you created on Google Vids, because I will really appreciate them and give a special award just for you.